Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to SAROJINI Smart Learning. So for the last few episodes, you're learning different topics from the primary level to middle school level. So today also we are going to take up a new topic and definitely you'll enjoy it. So in this episode, we are going to discuss few things about multiplication because in the last episode we are dealing with addition and subtraction. In this episode, we'll try to do some multiplication on this measurement of capacity. Okay, suppose there are 7 liters, 245 milliliters is multiplied by 6 simply. So we can also write milliliters, liters and milliliters separately. So this is 7 liter 245 milliliter is multiplied by 6. This is the first way how we are going to do this multiplication of capacity. So 6 times of 5 is 30, 3 on the top, 0 at the bottom. 6 times of 4 is 24, 24 plus 3 that is 27, 2 and 7. 6 times of 2 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. Directly connect 1 and 4. Because it is coming into thousands place. Already ones, tens and hundreds is over. It is coming into thousands place. So directly we can convert into liters. So 6 times of 7 is 42 plus 1, 43. The answer is 43 liters, 470 milliliters. So we can write this is liters as well as this is milliliters. If you want to write directly in liters, 43.470 milliliter. In this way, we can do this type of multiplication. So I'll take one more question. If it is 9 liter and 75 milliliter is multiplied by 12. So just write down liters here and milliliters here. So this is 9 liter and 0.75 milliliter is going to multiply with 12. Okay, this is the multiplicand, this is the multiplier, and whatever we are going to get, that is the product of the number. So 2 times, you can, if you know 12 table, you can do directly 12 with the 12 table. Or 2 times of 5 is 10, 1, 0. 2 times of 7 is 14 plus 1, 15, 1, 5. 2 times of 0 plus 1 is 1. Now 2 times of 9 is 18. Okay, now units place is completed, leave this place. 1 times of 5 is 5, 1 times of 7 is 7, 1 times of 0 is 0, 1 times of 9 is 9. So which is coming 0, this is 10, this is 9 and this is 8, this is 10. So what I am getting is 108 liters and 900 milliliters I am getting. So if you want to check also, you can divide it as we did for addition and subtraction. For multiplication and division also we can check. Or the other method of doing I will show you. Whether this will right or wrong we can check now. Now 9.075 liters also we can write, isn't it? Is multiplied by 12. 12 5s are 66, 0. 12 7s are 84. 84 plus 6, 70, 70. So 12 zeros are 0 plus 7, that is 7. Okay. And 12 9s are 108. Okay. I'll check. 12 5s are 60. 12 7s are 84. 84 plus 6 is 90. I wrote 70. This is 90. 90. 12 zeros are 0 plus 9, that is 9. And before 3 digit, we have to put a decimal. That means 108.900 liters or 108 liters 900 milliliters also we can write. So this is basic multiplication in capacities, right? Now coming to division. Suppose if I take a division now. Okay. Suppose 35 liters, 275 milliliters is divided by 5. If I give. Okay. So how you are going to do? This you can convert 35 liters as 35,000 milliliter plus this one 275 milliliter. It is nothing but 35,275 milliliter on adding this and this. So this number is divided by 5. So basic division. Yeah. So that will do now. 35275 is divided by 5. 5 sevens are 35. So 35 minus 35 is 0. 2 will bring down. So in 5 table 2 will go? No, which is not possible. So 5 zeros are 0. Then you left 2. Then bring down this 7 down. So 5 times of 5 is nothing but 25. Here you left 2 and bring down this 5, that is 25. So 5 5s are 25. So the answer is 7005. It is nothing but 7.055. That means 7 liters and 55 milliliter is the answer. So for any number we can do in this pattern only, especially in the divisions. Okay. So here the numbers may vary. So it may be from 2 to 9 table. Already we have discussed to learn from 2 table to 9 table. So you can do it off. Hope you understood this one. So along with the previous topics on addition, subtraction, basic concepts in capacity, here I have explained about multiplication and division also. So in the coming episodes also we will do some word problems also, so that you can understand the whole concept in measurement of capacity. So I hope you understood these topics and you are watching each and every bit, each and every example, and hope you will do more and more examples to make yourself so comfortable and better than these exercises. And thank you for all for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.